Fix Roblox new app available. This version is no longer available in your region. Hey everyone, welcome back. So you're getting the Roblox error that says new app available, or this version is no longer available in your region on either your PC or your phone. Both devices, all fixes, one video. Let's get straight into it. What this error means real quick. This error means the version of Roblox you have installed is outdated or no longer supported in your location. Roblox regularly retires older versions, and if yours has not been updated, you get locked out until you fix it. The good news is it is straightforward to resolve on both PC and mobile. Mobile Fix 1. Update the app on mobile. The first thing to do is update Roblox. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android, search for Roblox and tap Update if one is available. Let it install fully, then reopen the app. This fixes the error for most mobile users immediately. Go into your settings and turn on automatic updates so this never catches you off guard again. Mobile Fix 2. Uninstall and reinstall if no update is showing or the error continues after updating. Delete Roblox completely from your phone, restart your device. Then download Roblox fresh from the App Store or Play Store. A clean install pulls the latest version directly and clears out any corrupted files from the old installation. Mobile Fix 3. Check your region settings. Since the error mentions your region, your device location settings could be the issue. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, then Language and Region, and make sure your country is set correctly. On Android, go to Settings, General Management, then Language and Input, and verify your region there. If it was set to the wrong country, correcting it can resolve the error straight away. PC Fix 1. Update Roblox on PC. Roblox usually updates itself automatically when you launch it, but sometimes that process gets stuck. Open the Roblox app and let it sit on the loading screen for a minute to see if it triggers an update on its own. If it does not, go to the Roblox website at roblox.com, log in and click play on any game. This forces the browser to download and install the latest version of the Roblox launcher automatically. PC Fix 2. Uninstall and reinstall on PC. If the self-update does not work, do a manual reinstall. Open Windows Settings, go to Apps, find Roblox in the list and uninstall it. Then go to Roblox.com, click play on any game and let the site prompt you to download and install the fresh Roblox player. This gets you the most current version and clears out anything broken in the old installation. PC Fix 3. Check your VPN or proxy on PC. A VPN or proxy running in the background can trick Roblox into thinking you are in an unsupported region and trigger this exact error. Check if you have any VPN software running and turn it off completely. Then relaunch Roblox and see if the error disappears. If you need a VPN for other things, just pause it while playing Roblox. Fix 4. Both devices. Contact Roblox support. If nothing has worked on either device, go to Roblox.com/support and submit a ticket. Describe the exact error message, your device type, and your location. Their team can investigate region-specific issues on their end that you simply cannot fix from your side. And those are all the fixes for the Roblox region error on both PC and mobile. Update first, reinstall if needed. Check your region settings on mobile, disable any VPN on PC, and contact support as a last resort. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.